now going to show you the staff calendar. So if you go to Manage Staff area and add or edit an item in the staff calendar, you can view the staff calendar from here. You can add a new event to the staff calendar. You can add a start and time date, duration of the event, so 2 days. You click active and save. Again, it will show you the media center on the right hand side, and you just want to click save all details. As you can see here, it has then been listed, and if you view the staff calendar, it is shown here. You can export the calendar, and again, here is the list of all of the events that are in the staff calendar.